Hi, my name is Ammara. I'm the domain lead for Europe for healthcare and life sciences. I work for a company called as ThoughtWorks. We're a global consulting company. We work on product, design, data, and strategy. I think we are really excited about the fact that it was a smaller environment. It wasn't like a huge trade fair. It is by invite only, and that we got to meet a variety of suppliers, a variety of vendors, a variety of experts in the pharma domain itself, and that was really what was interesting to us. Actually, I think this was the best feature that was there. It's really difficult when you're around a lot of people sure, people come and speak to you at your booth, or you are a speaker at an event and people speak to you after that. But sometimes you have to find the right people, and you want to speak to the right representatives of companies that you're trying to meet as well. And I think here, the fact that we had a dedicated person, this person understood what we were looking for, understood what our goals of our business were, and really helped us find the right people to speak to and brought them to us so that we could have those dedicated conversations. I mean, that was the tip of the iceberg. My company, ThoughtWorks, in the IT world, we've always been a little famous. So if you've heard of Agile development, the founders of Agile work for our company. So Martin Fowler is one of the co-signees of the Agile manifesto, works for our company. And since then, since the time of Agile, we have always been at the leading edge of technology. So whether it is microservices, whether it is CI/CD, it has either been founded by ThoughtWorks or it has been propagated by ThoughtWorks. Something that recently we've been very famous for is data mesh. So it's about data strategy. How do you use data strategy well? How do you apply data strategy? How do you use product thinking for data? That's something that we're quite famous for. For the last couple of years, we've been very focused on the pharma industry as well, and how do we apply these advancements of technology into the pharma context. And we've been reasonably successful at that as well. Definitely. As a technology company, we were definitely agnostic or domain agnostic before, in the sense we worked for multiple providers because the technology problems were more or less similar. So if you had a data problem, it didn't matter whether you worked for an automotive sector or you worked for the pharmaceutical sector, it was the similar kind of problems. But in the last few years, especially with AI now, you're talking about being very specific and solving problems for your domain, solving it for your industry, for the end user and the experts. And AUTOMA is really helping my company and me at ThoughtWorks contextualize our technology solutions for the pharma industry. So since we are, I would say, relatively new to this area, and it's just been 30 years of experience, and compared to big pharma companies which have been around for 200 plus years, I think we are relatively new, but AUTOMA helps us really understand where are the problems, where do people want to go ahead in the pharma industry, where are the opportunity areas, where do we need support, what are other vendors doing here, what are the other solutions already available, and where can we partner with others as well. So it's not just about finding new clients, but also finding new partnerships where we can solve problems together and accelerate our outcomes.